What is your favorite color? Mine is, you know it, purple. Now let's sing the favorite color song. It goes like this. How does it go? It goes like this. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. So tell me, what is yours? Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it black? Is it red? Is it orange? Is it purple? Is it green? Is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow. Now tell me, which one, pretty please? Your favorite color is... Oh my! Your favorite color is... Okay, your favorite color is... Thank you for sharing with me. Let's sing it again. Your favorite color is... Wow! Your favorite color is... Okay. Your favorite color is... Thank you for sharing with me. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the color song. Can you see the letter on my sheet? It's the letter M. M is for map. Let's color a letter M blue. But first, let's take a look at the letter M. This is the big letter M, and that is the small letter M. M is for map. Okay, let's color it. Are you ready? If you have your flashcard, then you can pause this video and color the letter M blue. If not, watch me color the letter M blue. Okay, let's do it. Ready? I'm ready. Let's take it away. There's our letter M. It's blue. And don't worry if you're coloring outside the lines. It's okay. With practice, soon you'll be coloring within the lines. Okay, I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter M blue. See you next time. And don't forget, M is for map. See ya.